This is the place where a point of light illuminates the horizon, where southern red clay forms the foundation of a grand objective. This is where a historic town influences the future of a global automaker. This is when an idea becomes an ethos, and individuals help move a population, where a small cell fuels large promises with electric technology to power an ever-expanding fleet. This is where the heart of a community becomes the pride of the Piedmont region, a place of liberty, both in name and principle. This is more than our commitment to change. This is our charge.